Welcome back to Kuluin Mufflers, guys. Today we have an FG XR6 turbo uterus. We are just fitting up our 4-inch dump pipe to the turbo there. Now on the utes, you can still see the stop system sitting in here. Instead of using a bolt-on on the utes, we actually make our own system on the car. We've played around with these and come up with our own little funky design that works a treat and sounds quite nice too. So once Anthony's finishing up the bolts on that guy there, we'll start fabricating. Cracking along here with our Falcon system. Anthony's just got it in mock-up now. Just going to rip it out, do some final welding on it, and we'll move on to the next stage.
Alright, here we are, guys. It's all done, all welded, all painted. 3.5 inches the whole way through, V-bands, up over the diff, temporary tip, and of course the KM tag. Start it up.